What started with one man's vision became a revolution in packaging technology. Art Gustafson didn't just build a machine, he built a mindset, one rooted in innovation, reliability, and pushing the boundaries of what thermoformed packaging can be. Over 2 decades later, ALGUS Packaging continues to lead the way, where cutting-edge engineering meets hands-on craftsmanship. You may not know our name, but you've held our work in your hands. From batteries to command strips and beauty products, our machines make thermoformed retail packaging for the world's most trusted brands. From design and manufacturing to your retail product on the shelf, ALGUS is there.
We're not just building machines, we're building relationships. We solve problems faster, we think bigger, and we do it all in-house.
Every project is unique, and the challenges and ingenuity are exciting and rewarding.
Our seal machines are efficient, reliable, and have one goal in mind: bringing your retail packaged products to life.
Employees are the key to our success. From our thermoforming, tooling, and machines, we put our dedication and experience to work for you.
We have an outstanding team at ALGUS Packaging, and our goal is to deliver reliable, high-quality products on time. That commitment is what leads us to the forefront of our industry.
We build a quality product, we exceed expectations, but most of all, it's the resourcefulness of our team that keeps us leading the industry.
For over 20 years, we've been engineering the future of packaging, so your products can shine. Join the legacy. Build your future with ALGUS.